Hi everyone, I'll be giving you the weekly wrap for the week beginning Monday the 7th of May 2018. We have 7 auctions this week, and the first is the online all-new dome shelters, toolboxes and portable restroom auction. This is closing Monday the 7th of May at 6 p.m. and this includes all new portable restroom, workbenches, dome shelters with and without end walls. Our second auction is the online concreting, welding equipment and tools auction. This is closing Tuesday the 8th of May at 6 p.m. and this includes concrete, power trowels, vibrators, grinders, mixers, welders, wire feeders, shelving, ladders, wheelbarrows, welding equipment, hand and power tools and much more. Our third auction is the online Aolan Evaporative air coolers clearance auction and this is closing Wednesday the 9th of May at 6 p.m. and this includes all new Aolan evaporative and freestanding air conditioners at lower prices, plus 10 bar fridges. The fourth auction is the online Why Whinge When You Can Wine auction, and this is closing Wednesday the 9th of May as well at 7 p.m. and this includes assorted wine, including Shiraz, Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Noir, Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Pinot Grigio, sparkling wine, and much more. Our fifth auction is the online European design lounges and furniture clearance auction, and these are with prices heavily reduced. And this is closing Thursday, the 10th of May at 7 p.m. And this includes luxury fabric and leather lounge settings, electric and manual recliners, 3 and 2 seaters with and without chassis, armchairs, ottomans, dining and coffee tables, and consoles, all at heavily reduced prices. Our sixth auction is the online new industrial standard heavy duty ladders and platform auction. This starts closing Thursday the 10th of May at 6 p.m. and this includes 4 of the new 12-step fiberglass extension ladders, 4 of the new fiberglass platform step ladders, 4 of the new fiberglass dual-purpose trestle ladders and 4 of the new fiberglass double-sided step ladders. Again, these are all at a lowered price. And our last auction is the online end of outdoor living season auction. This is closing Sunday, the 13th of May at 6 p.m. And this includes 5 of the new king-size car rooftop tents, 5 of the new king-size freestanding double swags, 1 of the new 2018 Breeze 26-inch 250-watt electric bicycle, and 5 of the new 2018 Fashion 20-inch 250-watt electric bicycles. And again, these are all at a lowered price. So that's it for our auctions this week. However, we have some exciting auctions starting next week, and these include the 3 online major event mining and civil equipment clearance auctions, which is starting on Wednesday the 9th of May, and the online May multi-vendor recreational transport and mobile cranes auction, which starts on the Thursday 10th of May. Keep your eyes peeled for some more auctions, and we'll see you very soon.